नमस्कार सभी को। How are students? I hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss this topic going to school. Already we discussed part 1 and part 2 about various type of landforms that use various type of vehicles according their landforms. So today we will discuss question of this chapter. So you will be listen careful and give the answer. Okay. I'm going to start this chapter. Children in different parts of the country go to school in different ways. Shall we try and match them? Rajasthan, bullock carts or camel? You will match it. Camel. Rajasthan, camel. Plain lands. We use plain lands. Bullock carts or jugaad? Bullock carts. This is Kerala. We use Kerala. In Kerala, boats, vellam. Boats, vellam is a small wooden boat. Okay, small wooden boat is called vellam. We use in Kerala. Next is Himachal Pradesh. This is Himachal Pradesh. There is rocky paths. Rocky paths means चट्टानी जो रास्ते होते हैं, rocky paths. Okay. Next is this is Gujarat. We see which type of vehicles in Gujarat? Jugaad. Jugaad, combination of two vehicles. Okay. And it carries made of planks of wood. Planks of wood. And this is Jharkhand. Jharkhand, the children pass through jungles. Okay, pass through jungles because there is thick forest. Next is schools across rivers. जो school across river के दूसरी तरफ है, that means we use a bridge to go there, crossing over bridges. Crossing over bridges. Rajasthan, you can see Rajasthan, capital of Jaipur, and in Rajasthan we see camel. Okay, desert, because camel is ship of the desert. Plain lands, bullock carts और साइकिल. जहाँ पे जो प्लेन एरिया होता है वहाँ पे पीपल क्या यूज करते हैं? बुलक कार्ट्स और साइकिल दे यूज टू मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस. Kerala, vellam. Vellam means small wooden boats. Gujarat, Gujarat, jugaad. Jharkhand, through jungles. North Indian hills, walking through snow. Walking through snow. North Indian hills, वहां पे बर्फ गिरती रहती है ना. Schools across rivers, crossing over bridges. Friends, will you help Buzz tick the correct answer? You have to say the answer loudly. In the olden days, girls did not go to school at all. Were not encouraged to study too much? All of the above. Right answer is, tell me now. Were not encouraged to study too much. Children go to school to waste time, to learn new things. Which is the correct answer? To learn new things. Bridges can be made of iron, cement, bamboo, rope, all of the above. All of the above. Answer, all of the above. You can see there are so many bridges: wood bridge, iron bridge. A bridge can be built over water, road, between two mountains, all of the above. So answer is all of the above. ब्रिज होते हैं वो वाटर बॉडीज पे भी होते हैं, रोड के ऊपर भी होते हैं, देखते हैं ना हम सिटीज में, और माउंटेन्स के बीच में भी होते हैं. Children in our country go to school by cycle, walking, bullock, camel carts, all of the above. That means all of the above होगा इसका भी आंसर. वेरी गुड. साइकिल से भी जाते हैं, पैदल भी जाते हैं, और बुलक और कैमल कार्ट्स यूज करते हैं. यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर्स. All of the above is right answer. In the olden days, were not encouraged to study. Will you tell yes or no to the following questions? Children should go to school to learn new things. Answer, yes. Children should go to school to learn new things. Yes. Girls should not be sent to school. No. Children should be punished in school even for their smallest mistakes. No. No punishment. Punishment is the only solution for misdeeds. No. Children should learn to be self-disciplined. Yes. Girls should be treated equally like boys. Answer is yes. Shall we help Butterfly to fill in the blanks now? Children living in, which is the correct, have to walk by rocky paths to reach school. Mountains, near rivers, deserts. Children living in mountains have to walk by rocky paths to reach school. Next is, can be made of iron, cement, bamboo or rope. Your answer, You can see in these pictures, bridges, aeroplane, pencils. Which one is the correct answer? Bridges. Bridges can be made of iron, cement, bamboo or rope. You can see in these 4 pictures, hanging bridge, wooden bridge, cement bridge. A blank is made by using waste material. तो वेस्ट मटेरियल से क्या बनता है जिसकी साउंड फटफट होता है ना? यस, जुगाड़. A जुगाड़ is made by using waste material. Next is, in Rajasthan, some children go to school. You can see picture. Which is the correct answer? Camel. Camel carts. In Rajasthan, some children go to school in camel carts. In blank, some children go by boats to school. Option Kerala, Delhi, Rajasthan. This is the correct Kerala. In Kerala, some children go by boats to school. You can see in this picture. Next, a bullock cart has blank wheels 2, 3, 8. You can see this bullock cart. How many wheels? 2 wheels. A bullock cart has 2 wheels. Friends, will you help us tick the answer? You have to say the answer loudly. How do you come to school? You can see in these 3 pictures. Or another. Have you seen a bridge? आपने ब्रिज देखा है? Very good. सारे बच्चों ने देखा है. Is there a bridge near where you live? What is it made of? आपके आसपास में कोई ब्रिज आपने देखा है तो वो किसका बना हुआ है? किस चीज का बना हुआ है? वो वुड का बना है, सीमेंट का बना है. ओके. सो हैव यू सीन अ बोट? आई होप सबने देखी है बोट. सब उसमें बैठे हैं बोट में, सब बच्चे. डू यू हैव bullock carts where you live? Can you draw a bullock cart? Try to draw a bullock cart. This is bullock cart. Thank you students for watching this video. This chapter is completed now in three parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. If you did not watch Part 1 and Part 2, so please you must go and watch Part 1 and Part 2. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.